Are you curious to see some customized software examples that showcase real-world innovation? Today, I'll walk you through 3 projects that I actually brought to life with tailored software solutions. Good afternoon, this is Chris with Westside Technology Solutions. Today, I want to give you an inside look at some customized software examples that I've worked on in the past. If you're wondering what is customized software or how it can solve specific business needs, stick around. I'll share some projects that highlight just that. The first project I'm showing today is one I worked when I worked at a company here in Grand Rapids called PageWorks. This application is called Refine. Refine or Gems was an application created kind of to almost mimic Pinterest, targeted for middle school girls. As far as the technology, this was a React Native mobile app. So I created this in React Native, and then it transpiled to Swift and Java, and we published it on the Android and iOS stores. The cool thing about this project was that it was powered by Craft CMS. So non-technical users who wanted to create content for the app could go in, create the content or modify the content, and it would show up live in the app. The second project I'm talking about today is a Shopify Chatbot app. I worked on this project when I worked at Stay AI. This project was very unique and it featured several integrations. The whole purpose of this project was to simplify the process for people who wanted to make updates to their subscriptions, their Shopify subscriptions. Before, they would have to log into a portal or maybe even reach out to customer service to make updates to their subscription. However, using Shopify's API and Twilio's API, we were able to make this sort of process where people could text a phone number, they could see their subscriptions, choose which one they wanted to modify, and then either add a product, swap something out, push out the delivery date, or maybe even cancel it. Combining these integrations together created an experience that was very convenient for users. This was a really fun project to work on and it featured multiple integrations. This was a really fun project to work on and it made the experience for the end user much more enjoyable. Finally, the third project I'm talking about today is Cork Support. Cork Support is another web application built on Craft CMS. This one is very unique. Basically, Cork Support is a platform where service providers can sign up, they pay a small monthly fee, and then they're featured across different zip codes for people searching for services. The cool thing about this platform is that when people choose a service provider through Cork Support, a certain percentage of the invoice goes back to charity. In order to create this system where this whole payment schedule is automatic, it required several integrations with WePay, Stripe, and it also features a referral program from Refersion. Putting this all together and combining these integrations together creates this experience for users where they can go, find a service provider they want, upload an invoice, and then be notified when the payment is made and the charity is going to receive their funds. At the same time, it creates exposure for service providers, creating more opportunities for them to grow their business and also put money aside for a good cause. So here are 3 very different yet equally impactful customized software examples. These are just 3 of the many that I've worked on. If you're considering a custom solution for your business, feel free to reach out. Whether it's a web app, a mobile app, or a complete internal system, I've got you covered. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea of what customized software can do.